good morning students. In last lecture we have discussed the IPC nomenclature of alkyl halides. So today's topic is to discuss the common name of alkyl halide. How to deal the common names of alkyl halide. As the name suggests, this is alkyl halide, alkyl plus halide, alkyl plus halide. Alkyl depends, the name of alkyl depends on the number of carbon atom in the chain. Number of carbon atom means if there is one carbon atom it is methyl, if there is two carbon atom it is ethyl, if there is three carbon atom this is propyl, and so on, butyl, further pentyl, and so on. So, and the halide denotes chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, any type of halogen. So the name will be now chloride, fluoride, bromide, as well as iodide. तो आपको क्या करना है अभी? आपको देखना है number of carbon atoms and the type of halogen present. If this is chlorine, then it is chloride. If this is fluorine, then it is termed as fluoride. Suppose there is CH3F. For example, it is CH3F. Then there is only one carbon atom. Then it is methyl. It is methyl fluoride. It is methyl fluoride. This is methyl fluoride. If this is CH3Cl, here assignment, this is methyl chloride. If this is CH3Br, then it is methyl bromide, methyl chloride, methyl bromide. So naming आपको याद रखनी है. First you will place alkyl and then the type of halide. This will be the criteria to name the common naming. Okay, let's suppose there is only one carbon like methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide. But moving further, if I increase the number of carbon atom, so take a screenshot. I want to rub it. If there is more than one carbon atom, suppose means the case more than one carbon atom. If we increase the number of carbon atom, suppose this is the example, then how many types of structure can you make by this molecular formula? Suppose bromine is added here on this carbon, first carbon, and this one second, or bromine is added here, CH2Br, CH3. This is the A compound, this is the B compound. So बहुत सीरियस होकर चीज़ों को देखो. अभी यहाँ से स्टार्ट होने वाली हैं चीज़ें. This compound A and this compound B both are same. Since A and B both are same, A and B both are same. Because अगर आपको इसको नेमिंग करते हो, this is IPC naming, this is 1 ethyl bromide. Sorry, this is 1 bromoethane. This is 1 bromoethane. Both compounds are same. IPC name will be like 1 bromoethane, but the common name will be, there is two carbon, so this is ethyl and bromide. This is the common name. Ethyl bromide. This is the common name. Ethyl bromide. Similar ethyl bromide. But suppose this one is both are same, so I represent only one and say this is ethyl bromide. Now the second one, if we increase the number of carbon atom to 3 carbon atom, means this is the 2 carbon atom case. If we increase the number of carbon atom, means there is 3 carbon atom in the longest chain, in the chain या in the hydrocarbon, in the halide hydrocarbon, hydrocarbon containing halogen, containing halogen. If there is 3 carbon, 2 carbon तक आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी. If there is 1 carbon, then it is methyl bromide. If there is 2 carbon, then it is ethyl bromide. Suppose there is 3 carbon, this is the case, 3 carbon system, CH3, CH2, CH2Br. This is the first compound which can be made by 3 carbon. I am considering halogen atom as bromine. But what is the another possibility? If halogen atom is placed on the second carbon, this is the case if halogen atom is attached on the second carbon. Since if you give the IUPAC nomenclature, then it will be like 1 2 3, 1 bromopropane, and this will be 1 2 3, 2 bromopropane. IUPAC naming क्या होगा? This is 1 bromopropane and this is 2 bromopropane. So both compounds are different. Is there any another possibility to make a new diagram? This is the first one, this is the second one. सबसे पहले आपको हाइलाइट्स को फर्स्ट कार्बन पे लगाया, देन हाइलाइट्स को सेकेंड कार्बन, and the third possibility to replace halide on the third carbon. This is the third possibility, but this compound and this compound is same, so I do not consider this compound. So having these two examples, these two diagrams, I am going to give the common name. So be sincere, this is the 1 2 3 linear chain and this is the 3 carbon chain. So this is the propyl, no? Meth 8th prop, carbon 3, then it is the prop, so propyl. So this is the propyl bromide, but you have to take care that this is the linear chain, normal chain, bromine सबसे आपके कॉर्नर पे है, so this is the normal propyl bromide, this is the normal propyl bromide, normal N, नाम के पहले क्या लगा दिया? normal, N propyl bromide. So moving further, what is the next case? What is this? If this is normal propyl chloride, then if the bromine is attached on the second position, so this is isopropyl bromide. So in chemistry, if there is a iso term, what? Iso. So the halogen is attached on the second carbon in this type of system. So you have to take care of it. आपको आइसो वर्ड आज से याद रखना है, कहीं पे भी आइसो आया तो ये सिस्टम वहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट होगा. दिस इज द आइसोप्रोपाइल ब्रोमाइड, दिस इज द नॉर्मल प्रोपाइल ब्रोमाइड. So make your all doubts clear. This is the isopropyl bromide, this is the normal propyl bromide. So there are two common names in carbon atom, in 3 carbon atom chain. First one is normal propyl bromide, second one is isopropyl bromide. So take a screenshot, I am going to rub it. So moving further, if I am going to increase the number of carbon atom, so suppose there is 4 carbon atom in the chain. If there is 4 carbon atom in the chain, 4 carbon atom, So this is the case where 4 carbon atom in the chain, and any type of halogen, suppose this is bromine, this is chlorine, any type of halogen. So how many distinct compounds are possible to make? This is the first one. Suppose I replace bromine on the second carbon. So this is the case when halogen is present on the second carbon. Okay. Now moving further, next one is when halogen is present on the third one, then it will be similar to second one. So in 4 carbon atom hydrocarbon chain, there is 2 possibility. First one is bromine is present on the first carbon, second one is bromine is present on the second carbon. So I have completed the valency actually. So moving further, this is the first compound A, this is the second compound B. So is there any another possibility to make a new diagram? Is there? So think sincerely, you have obtained a chain. If you make a chain, 4 carbon now, then if you make a chain branched hydrocarbon of 4 carbon, this is branched, this is the branched, and you replace bromide here. This is the different one. This is the different one. This is the branched hydrocarbon. This is the third possibility, and the fourth possibility will be in branched. This is the branched hydrocarbon of 4-membered carbon chain, and here you are going to add bromine. Here on first position, in branched first position you are adding bromine, and here this one is the second position you are adding bromine. So what is their common name? So in 4-membered carbon hydrocarbon chain, you have to remember that is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give IUPAC nomenclature 1 bromo butane, but how you will deal in common name? This is butyl bromide, but this is the linear chain. This is the linear chain form, linear chain. So you will term as normal butyl bromide, normal butyl bromide. This is the common name, normal butyl bromide. And this one is called, this one is termed as in 4 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is secondary butyl, secondary का sec लिया मैंने, sec butyl bromide, sec butyl bromide. And here this one is termed as isobutyl bromide, and this one is termed as bromide is attached with 3 tertiary carbon. So this is tert butyl bromide, tert butyl bromide. आपके नाम बिल्कुल क्लियर कर लेने हैं, there should be no doubt. This is secondary butyl bromide. When in linear chain bromide is present on the second carbon, this is termed as secondary butyl bromide. Sec system, secondary. This is termed as tertiary. In hydrocarbon, bromide is attached where that carbon is 3 degree carbon, tertiary carbon. So it is named as tert butyl bromide. Whereas this is in branched, if carbon is attached on the last corner side, halogen is attached on the last corner side, this is termed as isobutyl bromide, and this one is normal butyl bromide. So you have to deal with these four names. You have to deal with these four names. So take care of it. Make a proper diagram, make a proper conclusion in your mind, so that there should be no confusion in further studying the next topics in organic chemistry. So first you have to think how to have a common name of this type of system where halogen is attached on the different position. So have a screenshot. I am moving further. So these are the very basic fundamental things you have to take care of it. These are the very basic things. If carbon chain I am increasing 4 to 5, then how many type of systems are possible? 5 means first compound is that this is the linear chain, carbon 5, this is the halogen atom. It will be termed as normal pentyl halide. Halide, any type of system, normal pentyl halide. So I am making a quick name, normal pentyl halide. If this is bromine, normal pentyl bromide. So this is the first criteria. If we add this type of system, if you are adding halide here on the second position, halide here on the second position, then which type of system this is going to be followed? So as you know, which type of system this is going to be followed? As we in four carbon chain, we have termed this secondary butyl. Here it is termed as secondary pentyl. Secondary pentyl. If this is bromine, bromide. If this is chlorine, chloride. So secondary pentyl halide. Secondary pentyl halide. Okay, so this is the normal pentyl halide, this is the secondary pentyl halide. Okay, moving further, if I am coming in the branched form, this is the branched formed CS3 and this is X, means halide. मान लो suppose it is any type of halide, chlorine, bromine, any type of halide. So this is termed as iso, and there is 5 carbon isopentyl halide. Isopentyl halide. This is secondary pentyl halide, this is normal pentyl halide, this is isopentyl halide. Suppose there is a type of system CS3. This type of system, there is 4 carbon, there is 3 carbon and there is CS2, CS3, and if we replace X here, suppose this is the next possibility, in branch chain, matlab this is the branch chain. If we add halogen on the second position, means C, this one is the chain, this is the branching CS3, means this is the CS3, and here is the halogen, on the second position. Similar here, this is named as tertiary pentyl halide. Pentyl halide. This is normal pentyl halide, this is secondary pentyl halide, this is third pentyl halide, and where that is isopentyl halide. These are the case. This is normal pentyl halide, this is isopentyl halide, this is third pentyl halide. These are the case. This is secondary pentyl halide. जब भी कभी लीनियर चेन में halide सेकेंड पोजीशन पे आए, दिस इज टर्म्ड एज सेकेंडरी. जब भी आप ब्रांचिंग करते हो और halide को बिल्कुल लास्ट में रखते हो, दिस इज टर्म्ड एज आइसो. मीन्स आप ध्यान से देखो तो आइसो सिस्टम में आप ध्यान से देखो तो आइसो सिस्टम में हेलोजन हमेशा लास्ट कॉर्नर पे है, बट आपकी चेन ब्रांच्ड है, लीनियर नहीं है, ब्रांच्ड है। आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि ब्रांच चेन में टर्म आता है आइसो, आपको ये दिमाग में रखना है। टर्सरी एंड सेकेंडरी का आइडिया आपको लग चुका है कि जब भी हेलोजन ऐसे कार्बन से अटैच हो जो 3 डिग्री हो, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज टर्सरी ब्यूटाइल, टर्सरी पेंटाइल हैलाइड। सो दिस इज द बेसिक नेम एंड देयर इज अ वन अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी, there is a one another possibility if there is a system like CH3 CH2X. If there is a system like this is another possibility of branching. यहाँ पे ब्रांचिंग 1 कार्बन की थी, यहाँ पे ब्रांचिंग 2 कार्बन की थी, तो आप इसको बोलोगे नियो, इस टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम नियो पेंटाइल हैलाइड। टर्सरी, सेकेंडरी, नियो, आइसो, नॉर्मल, ये एक बार अपने माइंड में आप सेट कर लो। दिस इज द नेमिंग सिस्टम, व्हाट इज आइसो, व्हाट इज नियो, व्हाट इज टर्सरी, व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी, व्हाट इज नॉर्मल। ये आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो एंड ये आप एक बार अपने माइंड में सेट कर लो, सो दैट हम फर्दर चैप्टर्स में बहुत इजीली कॉन्सेप्ट को अप्रोच कर सकें। दीज आर द बेसिक नेमिंग पैटर्न एंड नाउ, ठीक है, मूविंग फर्दर, सपोज देयर इज अनदर कैटेगरी, सपोज देयर इज अ एल्कीन and a halogen is present directly to the alkene. If halogen is present directly to the alkene, then this is termed as vinyl. This is termed as vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. This is the vinyl chloride. If halogen is directly attached to the alkene system, this is termed as vinyl chloride. You have to take care of it. This is vinylic system. This is vinylic halogen. This is vinylic halogen. You have to take care of it. This is vinylic halogen. This is vinyl chloride. Now moving further, means this is vinyl chloride. If bromine is there, vinyl bromide. This is the vinyl system when a halogen is directly attached to C double bond C. Moving further, if there is another possibility, C double bond C, CH2Cl. If halogen is attached next carbon to the directly C double bond C, this is termed as allylic. Allylic halogen, allylic allylic halide. You can term as allylic halide. Allylic halide. This is vinylic halide. This is allylic halide. Okay, this is the scenario. Suppose there is a ring and this is toluene. On ring CH3 is present, this is toluene. This position is called ortho, this is meta and this is para, this is ipso. Positions name ipso, ortho, meta, para. If there is a benzene, H, there is a benzene and one hydrogen is replaced with CH3, it is toluene. But if you are going to replace CH2Cl, one hydrogen of CH3 to Cl, this is called benzyl chloride. This is called benzyl chloride. So what is vinylic, what is allylic, what is benzylic system, we will study further. जहाँ जहाँ पे नाम आएंगे इनके हम थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखते रहेंगे. So right now I have discussed little idea about the common naming of halogen containing hydrocarbons of alkyl halides. So these are the basic idea. Go through NCERT, collaborate with and try to attempt that questions that is given in the in-text section or exercise section related to common naming. So moving further, I will discuss the reaction mechanism as well as first I will discuss the preparation of halo alkanes in the next video. Thank you so much.